Abanyishengero barabye ekitense cy'abashome bona Omuri Karamoja aborere ngo kubandizwaho ningasha ba Purayimare okorara amashomero haga government okubatambira kukusubwa ahamwe no kwirukangira hanguto.
Pre-primary and boarding education is very important. All these people who are now running around, if they were educated like us, they wouldn't be there. We would have reduced raiders completely.
Many of the school dropouts are being recruited into warwood and cattle rustling. Rather, Speaker, the mines, we need to change our attitudes first towards education.
Peace in Karamoja is a prerequisite for socio-economic transformation in the neighborhood. Like Father Onen said here, for long we said Karamoja, we cannot wait for Karamoja. And because we did not wait for Karamoja, our neighbors have suffered. And I think it's now time that we move together.
You become a raider. There are only two ways in Karamoja. Either you go to school or you become a warrior. You know the function of a warrior. There, no business, no what, no farming, there's drought, everything is in total confusion.
I'm very supportive that we don't only provide compulsory boarding education, but also we provide schools all over Karamoja.
State Minister Orkujinanwa ahanshunga ezibibwegese hamwe n'emizano Dr. Joyce Omuri Kukaduchu yashobora intekatekeza ibintu nka ministry orkujinanizwaho kandi yashobora ngo government neza kutereza buri kimwe.
This is because of the principle of universal education, and the principle is to increase access to education, especially to the disadvantaged children. And also, the design in that principle is to construct classrooms, sanitation facilities for primary administrative block, while secondary has ICT block, multipurpose hall, and science block. There was no provision for boarding facilities in terms of dormitories and what it takes to have a boarding facility. Mr. Speaker, despite all this high enrollment in universal education, we as education fraternity have seen challenges in terms of high rates of dropout, uncoordinated charges of fees, climate changes that has caused problem for children to access school.
Obwabire na igura horushtamoro hamwembezi wihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ashabira abanyeshengero kwirukandira entekateke za government ezabona bashome babasa kumara abana hanguto.
We have been begging from 1990, it's almost 30 years now. If there are unmet costs, bring them. You are members of parliament, I'm president here, you are there, we budget together. You come from those areas. You come and we budget. Let's block all these other expenditures. And we provide free education for the children in the government schools.
Parliament mubuyirobo yasenduko mu ruhumura mpako kusikibiri 17 hebyo kwa mwenda ningashi September.
And then at the end we shall be adjourning the house for 2 weeks so that will give you time to go to your constituencies.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky TV agenshunga.